I'm Jane from Poppy Patchwork and welcome to my quilt block series. In each of these videos I'm going to show you how to make a different block, and they're all going to measure 12 inches. I hope you like this video. If you do, click the like button, and please let me know in the comment section below what other videos you'd like me to make. Let's get quilting. Today I'm going to show you how to make a ribbon star block. You will need 8 4.5-inch squares in background fabric and 4 3.5-inch squares in background fabric. In fabrics A to D, you're going to need 2 4.5-inch squares from each fabric. Making the half square triangles. Draw a diagonal line on the wrong side of all the background 4.5-inch squares. With right sides together, pair up with fabrics A, B, C and D. Sew a 1/4 inch seam on both sides of the drawn line. And then cut along the drawn line. Press the fabrics to the darker side or press them open. Trimming the half square triangles. Lay the diagonal line on the ruler over the seam. Line the bottom and left edges at just over 3.5 inches. And trim the right and top edges. Turn the unit round. Lay the diagonal line on the ruler on top of the seam. Line up the bottom and left edges at exactly 3.5 inches. Trim the right and top edges and repeat with all the half square units. Block layout. Press your units and lay in the block layout. In columns, pair up your units. The pins indicate the stitch line. Sew with a 1/4 inch seam and return to the block layout. There's no need to press yet. In columns, pair up again with a pin indicating the stitch line. Return to the block layout. You can press the columns in opposite directions as shown with the arrows, or press the seams open. Pin the columns together, matching the seams. Sew with a 1/4 inch seam and return to block layout. Pin the last column, matching the seams. And then press your seams open. Congratulations, you have made the ribbon star block. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. More of these videos will be posted, so please tune in. Thank you for watching and bye for now.